对，刷卡。
这边。
好。
Wala pa akong tulog. Eh, ito yung terminal ng bus. Ayan siya. I'm so excited.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still.
So, search mo na paano pumunta sa hotel. Ida-drop off ko yung luggage. Yung luggage. So, let's go. Sabi, walk straight lang siya. So, try natin. Figure it out. Night, guys.
Fire.
Okay naman. Malinis. So, malinis. May pay one. So, let's go.
I know some days with you is paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match, let it nice to flame. You're the spark to blame, and it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame, and it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Time check, it's 2:01.
240。
Burger and fries. Super lamig. So, bibili ako ng gloves tsaka scarf dito sa net. So, yun na. Napayad na ako. It's secured. Punta akong Taipei City Hall para sa view na Taipei 101. Tsaka meron yung Rainbow Road. Mas konti doon tao doon kaysa sa Ximending.
It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Do you know the Rainbow Road somewhere?
Where?
Rainbow Walk.
A101.
Okay.
I suppose it's that way.
Over
but,
there.
But I
I'll ask other. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Excuse me. Do you know the Rainbow Walk?
Here.
Straight?
Here.
Oh, thank you so much.
Burning holes inside my brain. Fire.
Ay, Pinoy po kayo? Ay, joke. Alam niyo ba saan to Rainbow Walk na to? Ay, ano ba yan? Kaya pala paikot Ayun na. Sige po, thank you. Thank you po. It's 8:25 p.m. Bukas meron akong tour sa Jufen Shifen and Shilin, if I'm not mistaken. Pero lalabas ako today, explore ko yung area around Zongshan, malapit sa hotel. Nalaload ako ng PC card. Okay. Money. Passport. Okay. Sige, iwan ko yung bag. Bitbitin ko na lang siya. Kaka-charge ko lang eh. Hi. So, wala akong plan. As in, specific resto or plan kung saan ako kakain. Spontaneous lang siya. So, ikutin ko muna yung area. Kung meron akong, oopsie, magustuhan. Doon ako kakain. Super lamig today. Dapat nag-contact lens. Tingnan niyo yung area.
I've been thinking about myself
Okay, this
today.
Yes, large.
Ice.
Ice.
Normal.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Sobrang thick. Yung milk. Pinalas ko yung sugar. So, sobrang tea yung lasa niya. Okay lang. Ito kakain. Try ko siya. Let's go!